Hello everyone, welcome to AdiTrade. Today we're going to be seeing the Nifty and Banknifty analysis or a trade plan for 6th December, Tuesday. So this is the hourly chart of Banknifty that I've opened, and today was kind of an easy day to trade. Why? We will be showing you that. I'll straight away go into the 15-minute chart where we mark our intraday levels in Banknifty. See, for the Monday I could not get the video out, but this is the analysis that we had. Meaning, see this zone that is marked here, right? The slanting, the orange zone. This is where on this particular trend line or this zone multiple times Bank Nifty had taken support. So our plan was, if today we come closer to this, we will and get a bullish price action, we will go long. If this breaks, we will go short. So beautifully the price came, tested this exact zone. From there we bounced. Now if I just hide all these markings and just put only the CPR, beautifully we took support from the S1 and started going up, but we were able to trade only when kind of the CPR broke out on the higher side. Other than that, it was kind of pretty obvious that we would head higher. And another thing that was indicating that we would go higher is the OI data. If you can see the change in OI, what happened today, you see only put writing that's come in. Okay, even now at the end of the day, put writing has come in even at 33,400, and call writing came in only at 33,700. Now if you see the overall data, also it is quite bullish. We have put writing until 43,300 and 43,200, and above that some significant call writing at 43,500. So this will be a good level of resistance, that is 43,500. Now on the chart, 43,500 is exactly the all-time high level. The recent all-time high is also the all-time high level for Bank Nifty. I'm going to mark that in orange. So in case we go higher, this is a place that we'll have to watch out for, that is 43,500. And all the rest of the lines that I have marked will remain the same. These thin lines are where we might or might not take support. It might be easily broken. So that is around 33,400 and 33,350. And on the lower side, in case tomorrow we get a small gap down, okay, a flat opening, and start slipping, this is a place where we should book some profit. Not expect this level to break easily, because we have a lot of put writing at 43,000, right? So even though if we slip, breaking 43,000 might not be easy, but for some reason if we break, yeah, then we might get some aggressive fall on the downside. First target is this 42,920, and if that breaks, see at this particular region there is some support, that is around 42,861, around this region. And obviously below that we have 42,700. That is only if this zone that I have marked, the slanting orange zone, if that breaks on the downside. Now just to see if we are heading for a gap up or a gap down, if you see the US futures, right, is about 300 minus, so is the European markets is down. And if I just refresh, the SGX Nifty is showing minus 20. So but this, if I'll just pull up the US chart, see the US market just opened, right? So we cannot consider this. With this we cannot analyze that whether we're going to get a gap up or a gap down. But the US market is at some kind of a support, that is this. If this level breaks, right, there's a good chance we might even come to retest this level of 33,500, right, if not today or tomorrow. So we'll have to wait and see how the US market closes. Based on that, we'll decide whether we're going to get a gap up or a gap down. But if we get a gap up, right, if we get a gap up, this is a place where I'll be a little careful, not go long, probably think of shorting. If we get a nice, if we get a big gap up and if we get a nice rejection, don't mind shorting here. And in case we get a pretty flat opening, then I don't mind going long. Now even if you see tomorrow CPR is a pretty wide CPR, could indicate a little bit of sideways move. But if we open flat and break today's high, right, then definitely we might think of going long. And if we get a gap down, the places where we would be interested to buy is this level, that is around 43,175 and next 43,000 itself. So I would look to go long here, I would look to short here, and if this level breaks, I would definitely look to be on the short side. That is with Bank Nifty. And in Nifty we have this nice kind of this pattern that is being formed. So we'll have to see whether this pattern sustains. It's like a triangle that is being formed, and then we'll have to see if we're going to get a breakdown of this triangle or a breakout of this triangle. It is just trading this triangle is more than enough in Nifty. The triangle is kind of forming. So a break above this, maybe this will be our next target, 18,789, and if this triangle breaks down, the first target is 18,600 and 18,550. And even if we check the Bank Nifty hourly chart, it's not a perfect pattern. That's why I didn't put that in my starting of my analysis itself, but there is some pattern that has developed. So a break of this can give us the next move on the upside. So this is the hourly chart. Though we have this kind of this overthrow, it's called as overthrow, where whenever the price is following a particular trend line, goes above it and comes down, right? Some kind of an overthrow. So this is again kind of forming this type of a triangle pattern. We have come and taken a halt here. So tomorrow break of this, first target is 45,500, or a breakdown of this. If this triangle breaks down, right, with where this black trend line breaks, there is a good chance, if not tomorrow or day after, if this triangle breaks, we could even come to this low of this level, that is around 42,690 or around 42,700 if this black trend line breaks. So this is the pattern that we would be watching out for, how it is developing. And see, I missed a couple of videos, so until this new year and the January comes in, right, maybe some more videos will be missed. We're just doing some renovation in our office and doing a little bit of traveling for the New Year's. So here and there where I get time, I'll be posting the video, but yeah, some videos might be skipped until New Year. Post January 5th or 6th, all videos will be on daily basis. The trade plan will be posted. And that's it for tomorrow. Let's see if we can make some money.